All right, let's dive into a pretty exciting tech upgrade that's happening right now at Sogang University's Loyola Library. They're bringing in a new AI assistant, and we're going to look at the official plan to see exactly what that means and how it's all going to work.
So let's be real for a second. Have you ever been on your university library's website, maybe late at night, trying to find one specific article or book, and you just get lost? Clicking through page after page, it can be a total nightmare, especially when you've got a deadline breathing down your neck.
Well, it looks like Sogang University is tired of that headache too. They've kicked off an official project to build a custom AI agent that will live right on the Loyola Library's website. The big idea is to integrate a smart, responsive AI right onto the library's homepage. The goal? To make searching for what you need way faster and a whole lot more intuitive. You can think of it like giving every single student and faculty member their own personal librarian who's on call 24/7. Okay, so a project this cool needs a great team. Who's actually building it? Well, it's not just one group doing all the work. This is a really smart strategic partnership.
On one side of the partnership, you've got the Loyola Library. They are the experts on the user. That's you. They know exactly what students and professors are looking for, and more importantly, they know the biggest frustrations. And on the other side, you have Deep Fountain Inc. These are the tech wizards, a company that specializes in AI research and development. So they're bringing all the technical skill needed to actually build this thing. It's really the perfect match. User knowledge meets tech expertise.
But, a great idea and a great team are nothing without a great plan. So what's the actual roadmap here? The project documents give us a super clear blueprint for how this AI goes from just an idea to something you can actually use. It's all broken down into two main phases. Phase 1 is happening in the spring of 2025, from March to June. That's when all the heavy lifting happens. The development, the coding, the integration, that's when the AI tool actually gets built. Then, over the summer, we move into Phase 2. From July to August, it's all about beta testing. This is so critical because that's when real users get their hands on it and their feedback will be used to iron out any kinks before it goes live for everyone. So we've got the partnership and the timeline. But who does what? How do the library and the tech company actually split up all the work? Well, the plan gives us a really clear breakdown of all the responsibilities. And this breakdown just makes so much sense. Deep Fountain, the tech company, they're handling all the technical stuff. They're building the actual AI button and the interface, making sure the design works great on your phone, and even creating a back-end admin page so the library can manage everything. Now, at the same time, the Loyola Library is focused on the user. They're providing all the data the AI needs to be smart, they're reviewing its performance, they're finding students to be beta testers, and gathering all that crucial feedback. They'll even be the ones talking to the current website developer or future NURI to make sure it all plugs in perfectly. Okay, this all sounds like a really well-managed project. But let's get to the chase. What does this actually mean for you, the student or faculty member who just needs to find something in the library? What's in it for the user? The benefits here are honestly huge. Just think about it. We're talking simpler, way faster searches. No more clicking around confusing menus. You can just ask a direct question like, hey, where are the journals on 20th century Korean history? And you'll get an instant, clear answer. The whole website will just feel cleaner, more intuitive, and since it's being designed to be mobile-friendly, it's going to work great on your phone. It's all about removing the hassle between you and the information you need. And really, this isn't just some small update. To put it in their own words, the official plan says, the goal is to innovate the digital experience and greatly enhance user engagement. This is a fundamental change in how the whole Sogang community interacts with one of its most important resources. So the Loyola Library is really leading the charge here, using AI to build a smarter and way more friendly environment for everyone. It's a fantastic step forward, and it leaves us with a really big question to think about. If AI can completely transform the library, what other part of university life is next?